Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell how to make a herbal syrups. Honey and unrefined sugar are effective preservatives and can be combined with infusions or decoctions to make syrups and cordials. They have the additional benefit of having a soothing action and therefore make a perfect vehicle for cough mixtures as well as reliving sore throats. With their sweet taste, syrups can disguise the taste of unpalatable herbs and therefore greatly appreciated by children. A syrup is made with equal proportions of a herbal infusion or decoction and honey or unrefined sugar. When making an infusion or decoction for a syrup, it needs to be infused or simmered for the maximum time in order to optimize its medicinal action. Infusions should be infused for 15 minutes and decoctions should be simmered for 30 minutes. Press the soaked herb through the strainer or sieve to remove as much liquid as possible. Small amounts of neat tincture can be added to the cooled syrup to increase its effectiveness. Syrups made with tinctures. Syrups may also be made with tinctures instead of infusions or decoctions. Combine 500 g of honey or unrefined sugar with 250 ml of water. Gently heat until all the sugar or honey has dissolved and the mixture has thickened. Remove from the heat. Once cool, stir 1 part of the tincture, or mixture of tinctures, into 3 parts of the syrup and bottle as directed opposite. Standard quantity: 500 ml infusion or decoction, then infused or heated for the maximum time. Infused for 15 minutes for infusions and decoctions should be simmered for 30 minutes and 500 g of honey or unrefined sugar. Standard dosage: take 5 to 10 milliliters, 1 to 2 teaspoons, 3 times a day. Storage: store in a dark glass bottle with a cork tops in a cool place for up to 6 months. Making syrups. 1. Pour the infusion or decoction into a pan. Add the honey or sugar. Gently heat and stirring constantly until all of the honey or sugar has dissolved and the mixture has a syrup consistency. Remove from the heat and cool. 2. Pour the cooled syrup into sterilized glass jars using a funnel and store in a cool, dark place. Seal the jars with cork stoppers, as syrups are prone to ferment and may explode if kept in a screw-topped bottle or jars. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.